Good afternoon. This is Mike Palmer from Mike Palmer Homes. We appreciate you watching our site, checking out our videos. We just completed this home out here in a Startown area of Lincolnton. You look at the view here. We're kind of out here in God's country. Got a great view of the sod farm. You can feel the wind coming, and you got this lot. What this house is more geared towards is people that don't really want to pay for a whole lot of square footage, but still kind of like a nice big lot and a nice house to live in. If you look on the side of this one, you got that great stand of trees, and we're in the fall here. There's not many leaves on it, but that's going to be a beautiful area. There's a beautiful treed area. You got a view of the farm here. You've got a natural fence, all those tall leaves in the back, and you can see some other houses in the neighborhood. So this is the end of a cul-de-sac, and it's a beautiful property. A few things about the house. This is kind of, we kind of gear these towards like the small house, big feel effect. Take a look at this concrete they do for us over at Lake Norman. Lake Norman Concrete Finishing, they do a great job for us. But we got a front entry garage, carriage lights, kind of that roof detail over the top with some shake over there, and some black shutters, kind of that gray, kind of light color in the shake with black shutters. Kind of has that clean look. Now the shrubs are not huge. I just did a good. People at Simply Better Landscaping did a great job for us. We don't have great lighting due to the time of day, but these shrubs grow faster than everyone gives them credit for. So the big shrubs look great right up front, but when you put them in, sometimes in 3 years, the people hate us because the shrubs are taking over the house. Anyway, front porch with a fiberglass door. Now these are designed for open floor plans to maximize the use of the square footage. We come in, you've got that fireplace with a real nice granite surround as your focal point. You're open to the screen porch. You got your dining area over there and your kitchen with an island. So this living area, it's all one great big room here around. But your screen porch feels like an extension, fireplace, focal point in your living area. So you can get the maximum out of that. Now you look at the window, that little stand of trees, it's going to be a gorgeous property here. In the fall, you can see through the farm. Once the leaves come on there, you'll have a little more privacy. But in the back, these trees are all evergreen. Anyway, back porch, you've got your screened-in porch. The ceiling fan. Nice. Let's take a look at this fireplace again. And that surround, the gas log. Friends of Superior Trim did a great job with that fireplace surround. Anyway, but that's your great room. You've got fridge, stove over here. Your laundry room. Not exciting, but you've got separate laundry area, closed off. 2-car garage. And oh, in this house we opted not to go with any carpet. This is called LVP, or luxury vinyl plank. The gray driftwood coloring on it. Secondary bath, once again. We just went ahead and put granite in here. I like granite so much better than cultured marble. And there's your tub shower. Bedroom 2 and 3. It's 3-bedroom. And let's take a look at the master suites. Master suite, we got a ceiling fan. This one faces the front, but there's another plan we built in here called the Rosewood that we're building right across the street. It's going to have the master suite towards the back. Anyway, here's your master bath. Now, a lot of these has had tub shower. We decided to just put a shower in here. So we have a nice big shower with a seat rather than, have a tub shower as one, and we just have a tub in the other room. A typical commode. And put a nice gray granite here. We really love the way this came out. And the mirrors are coming. We're going to have a big mirror here. But anyway, a nice gooseneck chrome faucets. And here's your master closet. As you see, not a bit of carpet in this house. And we're going to have the shelves and the organizers come in here. So that's our plan called the Mallie. Let's go take a more look out at this great room again. Great big space here. So once again, you have a small house, big feel, under 1,400 square feet. but you know, some great country living. Hey, once again, if you found anything of value in this video, please hit the like or subscribe button. If you have any questions, you can feel free to contact us at the numbers below.